Ron Knows Stuff here. Mrs. Ron Knows Stuff there.
Hi.
And Coco around the corner. Woof, woof.
There she goes.
Yeah. So you're probably wondering, what is Ron Knows Stuff building?
I really am wondering because that looks like a mess.
It does, doesn't it? Well, you're just going to have to wait to the end of the video, maybe not that far, to
Okay.
figure out what it is. But more
Good.
importantly, we want to talk to you about the YouTube algorithm. So we need your help to trick this thing so that we can monetize.
We're so close, guys.
So close. One of the first hurdles you have to do is 1,000 subscribers. So we're sitting at 1630 as of this morning. Of course, the more subscribers, the better opportunities we have.
For getting our watched hours.
Right. And that's the next hurdle. So at 3,000 watch hours, you can do an affiliate store such as Amazon.
Right. I just want to interrupt your advertisement to show maybe they figured out what this video is going to be putting together because
We do have smart videos. I mean, they are smart viewers.
extremely smart
I mean,
viewers.
because they do watch these videos.
I mean, I wonder because it just looked like a bed frame going up to the wall, and then there's a mattress leaning against the other wall.
Let's not ruin the surprise.
You're right. You're right. Okay, enough said.
Thank you. So back to the algorithm. So once you have 3,000, you can set up an affiliate store, which we're sort of doing.
Yeah, we do have an affiliate relationship.
I mean, I don't promote products, but I tell you about products that I've used, that I've liked, and that you've approved of.
That's kind of promoting in a sense.
Yeah, I guess so. It's just, more
we're
of
recommending.
A consumer advocate. I'm never gonna be sold, bought out by somebody.
Oh yeah, not that kind of money.
No. So, all right. So
just we get a spiff if they buy it from our link.
Right. So that happens at 3,000. Then at 4,000 watch hours, which we're about 100 hours away from, then we start getting money from the ads that you see. So that's where we're going right now.
Yes. So your like, subscribe, and sharing and actually watching to the end really helps.
It pushes the algorithm to get more suggested. It puts it more in. It puts this video and other videos in queues for more people to at least have a chance to watch. So that's what we're really after today.
Yeah.
So if we can get you to do that, we'd really appreciate the
and
likes.
Put a comment, even if it's the word comment.
Yeah, or algorithm.
But we do want to give a shout out to some of our faithful viewers.
Yes, we do.
And so one of them, Amanda, thank you very much for watching.
Yes. And then there's Justin.
Oh, Justin, he's so good at commenting and liking and sharing. Thank you, Justin.
Yeah, and there's a couple of others, but I forgot to write it down. That I really wanted to shout out.
I think you should take a break and pause.
Oh yeah, Brandon and Mrs. CQA, and of course, there's always Greg. So thank you to those folks for watching and commenting. We really appreciate it.
Yes.
All right, so back to the video at hand. As you may or may not have figured out, this is a Murphy bed. Yay! So, as you can see, this one is, I think the mattress is specific to Murphy bed sizing. So I don't think it's
called a full queen.
Yeah, but I think it's like on travel trailers, they have a shorter mattress. This looks like it's not as long because I'm as tall as the mattress pretty much.
Okay.
So, but it's still,
I don't know.
Yeah, it's still a little.
I'm going to take your word for it. And that doesn't happen very often, does it? Ron knows stuff.
Okay.
No comeback line for that.
No.
Aw.
I know.
I hurt his feelings.
All right. So anyway, this is kind of we got this used.
It was a gift from one of our faithful viewers.
Hi, hey, Sue. Hi, Harry. But thank you for that. Sue does give us a lot of stuff. She gave us those kitchen handles.
Yeah, that
during
we
our kitchen
and some
remodel.
tile that we have yet to put in
Yep.
the bathroom, but
Yep.
we will be doing a video on that.
Yeah, she gave us the knobs that we put in our kitchen remodel. If you didn't see those videos,
We'll put a link in the
yeah, they're in the home
home
do it
playlist.
yourself playlist. Yeah.
Hmm.
So that was real nice of her to give us this, and free, I might add.
That's what a give is.
Yeah. Well, some people like to give with at a low price. So
Anyway, so here, Mr. Ron Knows Stuff is
putting it together. So there's on either side of the.
why is he walking backwards when he's putting it together? I wonder.
All right. So if you guys didn't figure it out by now, this is not me putting it up. This is me actually taking it down. And
in reverse.
I
He loves this reverse feature.
I reversed the video so it looks like I'm putting it together.
And if you hear the grumbling in the background, we've got two corgis playing. Coco has a friend over, Miss Honey. So they're playing in the background.
Yeah.
So we really need some kibble.
Kibble for Coco. Anytime you like, subscribe, and share, we get
Kibble for Coco.
Did I mention we're going to get some
Kibble for Coco. All right, that's enough. And we're going to share it with Honey.
Yes.
She's playing today.
Yeah.
Play date.
So the neat thing about this setup is it's just like that ready to assemble furniture. It's got the little cam locks and whatnot. Came apart real easy, and I numbered the pieces on the back, the side with the Sharpie side that goes against the wall, so I know where they go and in what order to put them on.
But this is nice because it's got bookshelves built in. It's got like drawers for a little dresser shelf. It's got a side desk. I mean, this is an elaborate Murphy bed setup.
Right, and all these panels are finished on the ends. So if we wanted to put the Murphy bed just by itself, we don't have to put those two units on either side. We are going to eliminate that corner piece so that it's all one long piece, if that's what we choose. And we're thinking we might just put the Murphy bed in one section and use the other pieces on another wall.
Yeah, because we have a short corner wall where we could do like the bookshelf pieces and stuff.
Yeah. Now we use that all-in-one paint,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll try and put a link to it in the comments or in the description.
And it is not sponsored, but it is excellent paint.
Yeah, we've used that in other DIY projects where we bought that. Well, you found a dining room table and what?
The hutch and chairs and leaves.
Yeah,
And we did that with that paint too.
Yeah, and I tell you what, that paint really sticks. It doesn't scratch. It makes it look like it's always been that way.
Yeah, it's great.
That
paint.
color. So yeah, so we're excited about that, and we'll paint that to match.
Yeah, we'll probably paint that to match.
Yeah.
As well.
You think we should paint it before we assemble it?
I don't know. Probably not.
Yeah, I think we'll do it
I
afterwards.
think we'll save paint if we do it afterwards.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah.
so
That's how I think anyway. I don't know.
yeah.
Could be wrong.
So there's a desk piece that you see me putting on right now, which I'm really taking off first. We're not going to use that piece, I think.
Not there.
Yeah. Yeah. But again, that's the nice thing about this. This is really a quality unit. We can put it anywhere. Oh, that's Coco saying hi. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Yeah, so all these pieces are finished so they can go individually or as a cluster like you see it here.
And it doesn't have to be painted. It actually doesn't have any damage on it.
No, it's
See how that piece has the drawers on the side of the left of you? I like that. I really like that.
So how do you think you'd want this set up? I mean, we already talked about putting the desk in another area. Do you want?
I guess I don't know the measurement of the wall we're putting it on for sure.
Yeah.
To know for sure.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Yeah.
But see how nice it looks, and it doesn't look like it's overwhelmingly wide or anything like that.
No, it's really nice, and it's standard, basically bookshelf depth. I would say it's maybe 12 inches deep. So
Really?
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. So it's maybe 13 inches,
Yeah,
but I
because the
wouldn't say it's more
mattress
than that.
fits in
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Now the bed itself, the bed frame bolts to the floor,
Okay.
so the rest is just
That's how they keep it
cosmetic.
anchored. Okay.
Right.
All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. So and
Awesome.
it's really counterbalanced well. The thing is really made well.
Yeah.
So
Looks great.
yeah, and I like how it
And
has.
it's, of course, space saving.
Yes. So we thank you for watching. We hope you like and subscribe and share.
And watch some other videos.
Yeah, there's a whole list of home improvement videos right after this one. So again, let's trick the algorithm. Like, subscribe, and share. Make those comments.
Lots of comments.
Ron knows stuff. Mrs. Ron knows stuff. And now you know stuff too.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. I think the video was supposed to end right there.
And yet it's still going.